Happy Friday, first graders. Today it's a new month. It's May. It's actually Friday, May 1st, 2020. And to write that in number form, we think about May as being the fifth month of the year. So there's January, February, March, April, May. So since it's the fifth month of the year, we write the 5 for the number form. It's the first of the month and it's the year 2020, so we write that as a shortcut, 20. Today on your to-do list, you will have reading, word work, writing, math, social studies, library, and PE. In Reader's Workshop today, we are going to be celebrating the end of a unit. You've just spent a lot of time learning to get to know your characters better and also looking at the lessons that your book teaches you. And normally in the class, we would do a celebration by either reading aloud like an expert to a small group, or reading to our buddies, or reading with our reading partners and doing some kind of celebration. But today, since we're learning from home, we're going to do a different kind of celebration. And the celebration we're going to do today is we're going to make a paper fortune cookie. And inside our paper fortune cookie, it's going to hold the lesson that your favorite book teaches you. So you'll pick a book today that you want to do this fortune cookie for. And there's a video that will show you step by step how to make the fortune cookies. And when you're done, you're going to find somebody at your house and you're going to share your book with them. Give them a little review, a little recommendation for your book, and then let them open the fortune cookie and see what the lesson in this book is. For word work, you are going to do a word search in there. In Seesaw, there's words with the double E vowel team. Makes the long E sound. So you'll look through this word search for the words listed here. In Writing Workshop, we are going to take a little break from our realistic fiction writing. You have been working so hard on this and I am so proud of you. I love seeing all of your progress. But let's take a break for today. We're just going to do some journal writing today. And in Seesaw, you will see there are 2 different options for you to choose from. So you can either choose to write about what you think the best outside game is to play, and then you can tell a little bit about why and draw a picture. Or you can draw and write about what you think the coolest insect is. Now remember, an insect has 6 legs. So anything that has 6 legs, and a spider has 8 legs, right? So you can't do a spider, but you can do any of those 6-legged insects. In math, you're going to have a show what you know today. So this is the part where we're going to be looking closely to see what you've learned. And it's going to be looking at balancing equations. There's an activity in Seesaw where you're going to sort some equations into balanced or not balanced. Now, just to give you a little preview on this, this is a balanced equation, right? So 3 plus 1 makes 4. And 2 plus 2 makes 4. So the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So we call that balanced. But if we had an equation like this, 1 plus 1 equals 11, that's not right. This side's so much bigger than this side. This side's only 2. This side is 11. This one is not balanced. It does not work. There are just 2 activities in math today. So there's the show what you know, and then there's a game for you to play. And in social studies, you're going to go back to American symbols. And we did a lot of American symbols work in our classroom in room 8. And this is a review of our American symbols. You'll watch a video and do a little activity with those. And then for library, Mrs. Cummins and her team have put together a fabulous lesson for you. There's a little life lesson in her story, just like there are in our stories. See if you can find that life lesson that Mrs. Cummins' book shares too. And then finally for PE, it's Friday, so we like to give you free choice on Friday. So pick anything you want to do for 15 minutes, and if you need an idea, I put another juggling video in there for you. Today we have our whole class Zoom call, and it will be at 10 o'clock, and we will be reading chapters 9 and 10 in The World According to Humphrey. And that is it. I hope you have a wonderful Friday, and I will see you guys on the Zoom call. And remember, don't come to school tomorrow or the next day. Take a break and enjoy. Bye, first graders.